Hello everyone, my name is Arpita Vittal Gangde. I am from FY BTech CSE AIDS branch. Today I am explaining you a little bit that is PNP and NPN transistors and that structures and functions. This is an introduction. First of all, what is a PNP? A PNP transistor is a semiconductor piece in which a thin section of a N-type is sandwiched between two P-type layers. Then what is a NPN transistor? A NPN transistor is a semiconductor piece in which a thin section of P-type is sandwiched between two N-type layers. The terminal of a transistors. There are three terminals which have specific name that are as follows. First one is emitter, second base, and third is collector. Some fact about transistor, that is more than 95% of current flow through collector, less than 5% of current flow through base. The emitter is a highly doped. Emitter diode is always forward bias. Collector diode is always reverse bias. In NPN, current leave the system by emitter. In PNP, current enter the system by emitter. There is a working of NPN transistor. First of all, this is a diagrammatic representation of NPN transistor. Then its working is the emitter base junction is forward biased by DC source voltage VEE. Thus, the depletion layer at this junction reduced. The collector to base junction is reverse bias, so the depletion layer is large as shown in figure. The forward biased base emitter junction carries electrons in N-type emitter to flow towards base, so the emitter current IE will be flows. As these electrons close through the P-type base, they tends to combine with the holes in P region. Due to light doping of base, very few electrons injected into base from the emitter recombine with holes to form BC current. The remaining large number of electrons cross base region move through the collector to the positive terminal of the external DC source, that is VCC. This form collector current IC. Then this is a working of NPN. Now next one is a working of PNP transistor. This is a figure of PNP transistor. The emitter base junction is forward biased by DC source voltage VEE. Thus, the depletion layer at this junction will be reduced. The collector base junction is reverse biased, so that depletion layer is large as shown in figure. The forward bias base emitter junction majority carriers of holes P-type emitter to flow towards base, so emitter current IE flows. As these holes close through the N-type base, they tends to combine with electrons in N junction. Due to light doping of base, very few holes injected into base from the emitter recombine with electrons to form base current IB. The remaining number of holes cross base region move through the collector to the positive terminal of the external DC source, that is VCC. This forms collector current I0. Then final equation is IE is equals to IB plus IC. Thank you for watching.